Hello, welcome to our software development project for Engineering 1181. We decided to make Battleship into a Matlab program. The team is comprised of Logan, our lead programmer, myself, Ryan, the lead documenter, Ian, who is the co-lead videographer and marketing chair, and Lucas, the co-lead videographer. The team set out to recreate Battleship into a new Matlab edition where you can battle against a smart computer with a competitive game style.
Now we'll give a presentation on how you play our version of Battleship. First things first, you have to choose what length ship you want to place on the board. In this case, we'll choose 2. Then you'll choose the column you want the ship to start in. We'll go with 2. And then the row that you want the ship to start in. We'll go with 3 this time. Now the user has to put in which direction they want the boat to face. We'll go with east. And now the user has to place another ship out of a total of 5. We'll go with the ship with length 4 this time. It can be in the column 8 and the row 4. And we want the ship to face north. For this demonstration, we're only going to place those 2 ships to save time, but in the real game, you get to place 5. And now we will fire until we get a hit on an enemy ship. As you can see, it took us a while to finally hit a ship because all the 2s are misses and the 1 right here is finally a hit. Down below you can see that the computer has successfully wiped out our ship of length 4. The computer has smart coding that allows it to guess in areas right around a previous hit. Of course, when you're playing Battleship, you have to do this in order to knock out a ship. The game will finally be over once either the computer or the player has completely knocked out their opponent's ships.
Have you ever wanted to play a classic board game but tired of those ripped boxes and missing pieces? Well, our game is on Matlab, so there's no need for that. You could play it in the car, in the airport, even in class, although that's not really recommended. Our game is 99 cents on the App Store. However, it's free for all Ohio State students because go Bucks.
The SDP was designed to utilize the group's programming, problem-solving, and engineering skills to design a game in Matlab. The game that the group decided to bring to life was the popular board game known as Battleship, and they were required to document their progress on their u.osu.edu site that they created. In the program, the group created a player versus computer situation where the user attempted to determine the locations of the randomly generated computer ships and would try to sink them.